Man, even when the sun is not shining and the clouds are out, it's a beautiful day. What's on the menu? Ooh, for the protein. Wow. The more colors you eat is the brighter you become. I know, right? I'm not gonna tell you anything. Just look for yourself. Wonder what we have over here in this spot. This like old wheat something. Toodles! Have a beautiful day and eat with colors today, right? Yes. Girl say me skin pretty like a coloring book. Say the hot like rice say just cook. Girl say me pretty like a coloring. Hey, yes, I finishing product, fully charged. Yes, man, everything all we eat out here. We are talking about okra, we are talking about tomato. What tomato do to your body? Dissolve any form of inflammation. Me are talking about all kidney stone. Yeah, man, where chlorine build up. Yes, man, me are talking about what? Gallbladder stone. All stones, man. Get out of here.